to be raining outside.
Aw, my clothes are dry clean only. Now they're gonna shrink.
Sorry about that. We're currently experiencing some technical problems on CBeebies. Please sit tight and then we'll be with you shortly. Here on CBeebies, we're experiencing some technical difficulties. You've got to be joking. We're unable to bring you programming due to an explosion at BBC Television Centre London, which occurred just now. As a result, a lot of our equipment and transmitters have been damaged and fried at our main headquarters, making us unable to provide quality and informative programming for you. We are transmitting this broadcast from another location to inform you of the incident, and are working tirelessly to correct the fault and restore programming temporarily. Following this, we've just received reports of multiple casualties due to the explosion at our headquarters. Very few were evacuated, with the majority being stuck in the building at the time, eventually succumbing to the flames of the explosion. We are currently looking into this to ensure that no tragedy like this happens again, and our condolences are towards the families and loved ones affected. We highly believe that this tragedy was caused by an electrical fault, which then triggered an explosion, setting the television station on fire, and sadly ending the lives of many colleagues. This should have never happened in the first place, and everything is being done to prevent from anything like this from happening again. If you are near the television centre, you must evacuate right away in the event of any fire further spreading. If emergency services stop you for questioning, you must comply with them, as they are here to support you and guide you to safety. We will continue to keep you updated as the situation develops and inform you of the latest news once more becomes available. For now, normal programming may resume for a short amount of time. You should also expect delays and interruptions. For now, CBeebies.